Alright guys, so as you probably saw in the video earlier on, we were racing the Hellcat. I kind of like checked my driver's side mirror and I just see quite a bit of smoke. So I kept going. My engine code is just like flickering and I was like, yeah, there's definitely something wrong. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to be picking up the Mustang. I don't know where to look right now because I'm trying to drive. But today we're going to be picking up the Mustang and bringing it to the shop. There's a lot of other people that go to this shop as well that have like really like high performance Mustangs. So I have a lot of faith in this shop because I've been kind of screwed around by two shops. Well, I guess the second shop was fine because they just took a long time. They do good work, but like their process and how they do everything just takes a long time. Like to get me a quote, it took them like 2.5 weeks. Or I think like 2 weeks. Anyways, it took like quite a long time. It wasn't like it happened in a day. It took at least like a week and a half, 2 weeks. So yeah, they just took too long. They're really great guys. The shop that installed the Roush didn't listen to me when I told them I had high IET2s, and they're the reason my motor blew up. So I'm not gonna be using them anymore. And then they basically said I was on my own, that they're not gonna help me at all with absolutely anything, even though my car lasted literally a month. And like 2.5 of those weeks, like 2.5 to 3 weeks was the car not even working properly. But we're gonna go into the barn or like / garage where I keep my car over the winter. I just let him deal with it. So I paid him and the car's been there, as you guys probably know by my recent videos and my past videos. So we're going there now. My work's towing the car for me and then bring it to the shop. I'm gonna talk to the shop, see what they say. The guy that sold me all the parts, he says they haven't taken apart the motor yet. They just wanted, I don't even know why they even took the motor then, if they haven't taken it apart. I don't know why I brought it there a week earlier, but whatever. We're gonna bring the car there and talk to them. I'm gonna be seeing the car out in the daylight for once, which is gonna be different. But I'm really excited that everything's like getting done, the ball's rolling. But I'll see you guys when we get to the shop, and I'll talk to you guys then. Dude, the tow truck's still not here. I'm actually getting I'm getting quite stressed.
This is it?
Yeah. This is right. You've never been here, have you? To seen it. This is seen it. You've never been here to see it.
No, I've just.
Oh, he's already pushed out. Look how bad the gap looks, dude. That gap looks so bad.
A fucking 4x4.
It's like a horny Hornet or something. It looks so bad.
Jesus Christ. Why is it so fucking high?
Because there's no engine in it, dude.
Oh, true. You say it looks like a fucking 4x4 car.
Yeah, it looks really bad. It looks really, really bad. And I think I ruined my stripe. No, in this stripe I wrote I miss you on it. I wrote I miss you. Yeah, it's still there, dude. Yeah, I don't think they put my drive shaft in here. And I don't think my drive shaft's down there.
No, it's not.
It's not. So when I literally went there and picked up Dimitri's drive shaft, I said, hey, do you guys have my drive shaft? And they're like, no, we don't think so. And it's literally not there. There's no drive shaft in there.
No.
That's really annoying. That's actually really, really annoying. It's not like it's like a $1 little tiny piece. Dude, it's so dirty. Oh no, the drive shaft is in there. It is in there. It is. It is right there. I see it. Yeah, it is in there. It's behind the driver's door, or driver's seat. All right, I guess wait for the tow truck driver and then load it up. Feels so good to sit in here though. Can you push me? Feels like I'm going a bit. Okay, remember when you went to Walmart as a kid, and like outside they'd have like those like little like you put the quarter in, and you get like ride the little toy out front. That's what this feels like right now. You know, you have like the rocket ships, like the elephant.
Up.
Yeah. There's still like leftover like residue in my cats from when the cats blew. Those tips look nice.
step closer, man.
It still hasn't even been a year I've had it yet.
And it's been on a tow truck more times than it's been on the road.
This summer, yeah. We've been doing a decent speed for the past while.
Yeah.
I can say that enough.
And there's no fucking Mustang to be seen.
Oh, it's a Civic? Oh my god, is that a Supra? Oh my god, it's a Supra. I mean, it's only the second time I've actually seen one. In person, yeah.
Sucks for you.
Why?
I've seen multiple.
Okay, my car's faster.
No, it's not.
Okay, we're on right now, but...
Not a fucking chance.
Yoink. Yeah, that's it right there. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Dude, there's no way. He's going like 100, bro. There is no way.
He's doing, yeah.
No, he's doing like 110.
Fuck. Just cruising though.
Yeah, to be so weird driving it again. Like,
just think that's the fastest your Mustang's gone in a long time.
wow, a whole 100 knots.
Just taking the Mustang for a cruise.
Dude, yeah. Post on Instagram. Oh, taking my Mustang on a cruise.
Taking her out for the first time in a while.
Dude, it looks so good up there. She's probably so happy to be outside, getting shown off.
Wind in her hair. You want to go sit in it while he's driving? You can
yeah. Hold the steering wheel.
Well, guys, it's back on the road.
Yes. Oh.